Good morning, world.
Good morning, world.
Reporting live from 26 minutes outside of Zion National Park. We're right next to Willy Wonka's Chocolate River. We're doing the Narrows today, and if it looks like this, I'm gonna be pissed off. Say Zion. It's looking milky. I'm gonna put sports mode on. This is a muddy, disgraceful mess.
This water is gross.
It's just chocolate milk. It's gonna get deep.
Ready to go for a swim?
I'm ready, are you?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to swim so much.
You're gonna have to.
Nope. It's finally deep enough you can pee. I'm peeing right now. Feels good. It's making this a lot warmer. Look at that. It drops off so fast. You're not touching the bottom?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, I gotta carry this above my head. I'm gonna... Oh dude, you're so much shallower over there. Dude, what?
That was so unnecessary.
That was unnecessary. Why did we follow those people? Why did we get wet for no reason?
I almost went underwater.
What the hell? This is as far as we're going. I'm putting my camera away. That looks so cool. We should climb up there. It's time to hike. It's just a rock slide. I didn't record any of that. My camera's dying. But I made it. The right move for this hike? Yes, you can never make a bad decision with Crocs. Oh boy. I'm putting this away. I'll check in when I'm safe. I survived. Only some minor wear and tear, but I made it.